Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp and crab bisque. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including 1 pound of shrimp and 8 ounces of lump crab meat. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 cup of finely diced celery, carrots, and onions, cooking them until they are tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic for 1 minute, until fragrant. Next, we will build the rich, creamy base for our bisque. Sprinkle 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour over your sautéed vegetables, stirring constantly for about 2 minutes to cook out the raw flour taste. This creates a flavorful roux. Gradually whisk in 4 cups of high-quality seafood stock, followed by 2 cups of rich, heavy cream. Continue whisking until the mixture is completely smooth, then bring it to a gentle simmer, stirring often. Now it is time to add the stars of our bisque, the seafood. Gently fold in 1 pound of pre-cooked shrimp and 8 ounces of delicate lump crab meat. Be careful not to overcook the seafood, as it will become tough. Season your bisque with about 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick, and add salt and black pepper to your personal taste. Let it simmer gently for 10 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to truly meld. For the perfect finishing touch, stir in about 1/4 cup of dry sherry just before serving. This adds a wonderful depth and complexity to the bisque. Ladle the hot, aromatic bisque into bowls. Garnish generously with fresh chopped parsley or chives for a pop of color and freshness. Serve this luxurious, creamy shrimp and crab bisque warm, perhaps alongside some crusty bread for dipping or a light side salad. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.